Okay, did you catch that? He's already in custody for another robbery case. This isn't his first rodeo, and that could seriously shape how the court treats his credibility. Would you take the plea if you were in his shoes? Drop your thoughts below.
Judge, Mr. Estrada was kind enough to let me know that somehow they said he was exposed to COVID, so I got him a mask. That's why he's wearing a mask. I don't know if it's true or not, but anyway, that's why.
All right, so we were scheduled for jury trial. Where are we?
Judge, you made an offer. I've thoroughly discussed the offer with Mr. Estrada. I've explained the consequences of not taking the offer and that the court will not take any agreement. It will just be an open plea to the court. I passed on the offer, and I'll be real blunt. I've given him ojos that if he gets a lot higher, it's on him, not me, and I'm not going to feel guilty. He said that he wants a trial, so I'm passing it on to the court to get it.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date for this. It's criminal trial division. I need it as early as possible. All right, you're coming back for jury trial on February 6th. Your plea deadline date has expired. The court will not accept any plea bargain agreements in this case without good cause. Otherwise, you'll need to plea open to the court. You'll be brought over dressed for trial in whatever civilian clothing you have at the jail. If you wish to be attired in something different, you'll need to speak to your attorney.
Whoa, this is a turning point. The judge just shut the door on any plea deals unless there's good cause. That's huge. It means Estrada's basically all in on trial now. No more deals, no more outs. The stakes just got real.
Do a clothing exchange. If there's an issue with the clothing exchange, let the court know.
Judge, I appreciate it. Thank you for letting me come in today rather than Tuesday. And I'm still going to bet with you on the fact that they're going to cancel court.
You think they're going to cancel court on that date?
It's not that I would, but you notice certain things like the sun rising in the east and setting on the west. For a while, you notice patterns.
Okay.
Your Honor, may I say something more?
Sure.
I just want to see if I'll be able to dismiss or cancel. I've been incarcerated going on 3 years, and I'm still to see yet the discovery pack on any racing arrest.
Oh, you want to see the evidence?
Hold up. He's asking to fire his attorney 3 years in without ever seeing discovery. That's your right, sure, but at this late stage? It's like walking into a gunfight without knowing who's shooting at you. Would you trust your defense this close to trial?
State, can we put him in the box? Counsel, can you let him see the evidence? And if you want another attorney for your jury trial, they need to be ready for trial on February 6th. You understand?
And Judge, just be clear, I don't care one way or another, but if you are going to put someone else on the case, please let me know so I won't.
Oh, no, he's going to have if he wants another attorney, you'll have to hire that attorney. And that attorney needs to be excused. That attorney needs to be ready for jury trial on February 6th. And state, if you'll let him and counsel, if you'll stay so he can see the state trial.
Judge, in the other case, Mr. Estrada, he really, really doesn't like me, which is why I didn't the discovery told me to stop. Mm-hmm. I'm just telling you because I'm going to file motions to try to protect myself.
Oh, I understand.
Okay.
Where is he? If you can come forward, sir. All right, so I want to let you know something. You came before the court and you said that you had not seen the state's file. I'm being told that you no longer want to see the state's file. So let me just tell you what's going to end up happening. You got to go to trial whether you've seen the evidence or not. That's completely up to you. The court gave you the opportunity to sit in court and look at the state's file. You're choosing not to. So you're going to come back for trial on that day. Do you understand?
Not that I don't want to see it, Your Honor. It's just I've been incarcerated going on 3 years, and I just feel like I'm being rushed to something that...
Oh, no. You said you've been incarcerated for 3 years. So how are you being rushed?
And there it is. The judge isn't buying the I'm being rushed argument. 3 years behind bars and only now wanting to see evidence. This moment underlines a tough truth in court. Your case moves with or without your comfort level.
Exactly.
You're going to jury trial on February 6th.
I'm barely hearing anything about it just within these past couple months now.
He was in another county, Judge.
I've been in another county, so this whole time I've been incarcerated, I haven't heard anything out of it.
So let me ask you this. I want you to internalize what I'm saying. You were in custody in another county for what reason?
For ag robbery, allegedly.
So there you go. So this case is going to trial on February 6th. If you would like, I've given you the opportunity to sit in the box and read what the state has. What the state has in their file is what they have.
I understand that, Your Honor.
Here's the thing, the only thing about it, what's in the state's file are the names and police reports. Those people are not going to come in and let you talk to them right now because
No,
that's not what it is.
I understand what you're
But you can look at the file. So you're coming back for jury trial on February 6th.
saying.
All right. Thank you. All right. How's everything going?
Pretty good.
All right. So how are you spending your time? What are you doing?
I spend it at home with my family and start to look into for a job and all that.
All right. How's the job search going?
Pretty well. I still waiting for an interview for the construction business. And I don't know if I gonna get a call this week or the next week. But maybe if I be able.
All right. Just 1 second. Excuse me. If you all can't whisper, then you're all going to have to confer outside.
I will be able try to look for another job since they do not contract me.
All right. And so are you doing school or looking into school or anything of that nature?
Not right now. I'm looking just for a job right now.
Any type of trade school or
Also,
trade school or anything of that nature? What are you planning on doing with your future?
for a GED.
All right. So you said GED? All right. Have you started working towards that?
So,
Say yes, ma'am, or no, ma'am, when she asks you a question.
not right now, man.
All right. So it's probably best if he starts trying to get his GED if he doesn't have it.
Yes, ma'am. That's what you're working on, correct? On get your GED. Okay.
All right. So his GPS, what is the status of that? Is he on tracking or does he have scheduled?
I think he still has a full house GPS for the first 3 or 6 months, and then after that, we're gonna reevaluate. I believe, if I remember correctly.
All right. It's been 3 months.
Yes, ma'am. But I think it was 3 months, but I'm not sure. I don't want to lie.
No. Because I think it's time for him not to be on full GPS.
Your Honor, in December, the conditions were modified for partial GPS,
Mm-hmm.
and there's not been any violation.
All right. And so then we said partial. I believe, I guess I probably said partial for work or to look for work.
Limited and then maybe class.
All right. So are you okay with loosening that a little bit to giving him some extra time or no?
You're up.
Yes, I do see that we have been in communication with them in regards to certain job fairs he hoped for. He's in compliance with all of his field visits, reporting on time.
So I think,
Judge, if we put him on track and he can go out and look for other jobs, he can stop at job sites and things.
well, I think what I'll start with, because now it's just partial. I'll start with him being allowed to do things in certain hours. So if it's not work related or if it's not for classes, I'll allow him to be out and about till 6 p.m.
Okay.
That means that you'll have to be at home at 6 p.m. Now, if you're at work and your work schedule takes you beyond 6 p.m., that's fine.
Nice.
So we'll start with that. And then the next time, if there are no issues, then we'll start with tracking only and then hopefully move towards removal.
So from what time to what time? I know from 6 p.m., but what
We'll
time?
do it Monday through what date? Do you want Monday through Friday or Monday through Sunday?
Judge, you don't have any, I would say Monday through Saturday.
All right. Monday through Saturday. We'll do 7 a.m. to 6 p.m.
6 a.m.
7 a.m. to 6 p.m.
a.m. to 6 p.m.
Okay, you want 6 a.m. to 6? Okay. She's happy
Wait,
for you.
just in case he gets a job to where he has to, you know.
All right, so your GPS now will be 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. That's whether you're looking for employment or whether you have a class or not. If you want to go to the park, then you can do that. So that's from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. If there is something where you have employment and that employment takes you outside of that window or a class takes you outside of that window, let probation know.
Okay. Yeah. I will notify them if it takes longer than 6 p.m. Sorry.
All right. So then what we'll do is we will see how that goes and we'll come back in 3 months. And in 3 months, it'll probably, if there are no issues, then it'll probably be tracking only. And then 3 more months, if there are no issues and nobody objects, it'll probably be removal.
Good. Just yesterday, it just happened that I got a call from an old client. He owns a house framing business, and he had some traffic tickets. So I went to pick up the money, pay the tickets. I'm gonna call him and see if he can use them.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. Johnny, you're so awesome.
Well,
I've known you forever. I've known you when I was a defense attorney and a prosecutor. You're just awesome.
well, thank you. So are you.
No.
I love coming here.
Oh, thank you. So, Norma, on this case, if you can give me a date to come back in 3 months.
As far as the mental health treatment is concerned, are we okay just to monitor at this point? And if anything arises, let the court know?
We'll monitor. And if there are some issues that you're having, be sure to let your attorney know and let probation know, because we can't help you if we don't know. And the last thing you want to happen is something to happen, and then you come back to this court and saying that you didn't tell anybody, because in this court, I believe that communication is key. When I place people on probation, I want them to be successful. So you have no excuse. And if the probation officer, who's your probation officer, is not addressing some issue you have, you can always call your attorney, or either you can always come to court.
What do you mean?
All right. What?
April the 4th, Your Honor.
All right, Norma, we're going to call this back on April 4th.
Norma approach.
Yes.
I called a freeman friend of mine. Doesn't need anybody. But I called another friend, and he's gonna hire him.
Oh, awesome, Jenny! You're so awesome.
It's the biggest cabinet making company in San Antonio.
Oh, that is so great.
So I'm gonna take him to the interview.
Wow. Oh.
And he said, if you recommend him, I'm gonna hire him. So I'm gonna take him. I can't today, but tomorrow I'll take him over there. He's got a job.
Oh, that is so awesome.
Okay.
Thank you, Johnny. Saving people one person at a time. I like it.
I believe in this.
I do too.
Yeah, I know you do. I can tell.
Yeah.
He's doing good. I mean, he's just said the wrong thing. Yeah. So anyway, I'll let you know.
Oh, hey, awesome.